Okay, good morning students. I hope everyone is fine and studying well. Today we are going to study in English second, engaging English. Okay, lesson number 7. What is the lesson? Lesson number 7. What is the lesson name? Rain making. Okay, the author of this lesson is K. Shankar Pillai. As you can see in the book also, it is mentioned here. The author of this book is K. Shankar Pillai. Okay, he was born in 1902 and died in 1989. Okay, he was a famous Indian cartoonist, one who has written this story. He is a very famous Indian cartoonist, one who is making different cartoons for the children. Okay, this story is about a boy. Raja. His name is Raja. He was living with his family near his house. Near his house, one garden was there. Like some families are making garden, a small garden near his house. Okay, outside of the house. So near his house also, one small garden was there. A small garden type. So there were some flower plants and also sandalwood tree and some other tree were there. So this story is about one evening time. One day what happened? There was very heavy rainfall. As there are rainfall here also, our place also, many times in the rainy season time especially. So this story is about one day when there was heavy rainfall during the daytime. So this story is about evening time. That when the heavy rainfall is there, after that what happens? Raindrops fall on the leaves of the trees and plants. So there was one sandalwood tree, okay, and there raindrops was fallen on the leaves of that. Okay, so what this boy thought, he was little naughty like you people. So what this Raja thought that he will try to shake the tree, sandalwood tree, and try to wet himself and his grandfather, and by that he will feel enjoyment. Even though he knew that if his grandfather will catch him, surely he will beat to him. Then also he tried to do like that. So after some time when he planned to do like this, he went near the sandalwood tree and shook very powerfully the branch of that tree, sandalwood tree. So what happened? All the raindrops from the leaves of the trees fallen on his grandfather and him. So both were wet by water. Both were soaked by water. So his grandfather got so much angry on him and started to run behind him, started to chase him to Raja. So this boy started to run near his house. One paddy field was there. There he tried to run away from his house. So his grandfather was running behind him to catch him and beat him. But all of a sudden his grandfather fallen down. Okay, because he was old, so he could not run very fastly. So he fallen down after some time. But this Raja, this boy, started to run little faster, and he went he went to the paddy field and he hid himself. And he thought to return back after some time, but he thought that surely if my grandfather will catch me, surely he will beat to me. So he was hiding himself whole day. Somewhere or other place he was hiding in the different fields. So when the evening time came, little more dark, started to be dark evening time, then he started to fear. He started to fear also because he had heard many ghost stories. So he wanted to come back near his home. Okay, so that he will not have fear. So when he tried to come near his home, he did not go straight to his house, but he went in the cow shed where cow are being kept in the house, cow or buffalo. So he went there and he hid himself. He went into the storeroom inside of cow said there is one storeroom, there was one storeroom, so he hidden himself there. And his grandfather, after some time, his grandmother was searching for him and tried to call, Raja, Raja, where are you? But when she could not find out, she asked to her grandfather. She asked to grandfather that, where is our grandson Raja? Where he has gone? We are not able to find him. Then his grandfather told that he will be somewhere in the house or nearby only, where he will go. Then his grandmother is telling that, surely you have only made him fear. I heard that you were telling to him that if I will catch you, surely I will beat you. So because of that, he has run away from the house. And after some time, when they could not find out, the grandmother sent some servants of the house to search for her grandson Raja. But when those servants went outside, they could not find to him anywhere. So they came back home and told to grandmother that sometime what happened. When they could not find out, then grandmother started to worry so much, and she started to cry. And also nearby her house, some relatives, some neighbors were there, and some relatives also. When they heard this news, everybody nearby his house and relatives, everybody came to know that Raja is missing somewhere and they are not able to find out. So grandmother and nearby neighbors all started to come near grandmother and started to cry. And relatives also, some of her relatives also came and started to sympathize with grandmother. Okay, but his grandfather is telling that nothing has happened. I believe that nothing has happened to our grandson Raja. He will be somewhere and he will come back after some time. But when those servants and some other of his family members also, they went and searched for him, they could not find to Raja. Then they all started to worry and started to cry, as you can see in the picture here in the book. And they started to weep loudly, cry loudly. So after some time what happened? As his grandfather also started to worry for his for Raja, and started to pray to God. Oh God, please help us to get our grandson. Okay. So after some time what happened? This boy's Raja's uncle was coming from somewhere outside, and when he saw to Raja and all the people, by listening the people's voice, he understood that what was the situation. So he went inside the cow shed and tried to call Raja back to his house, where the people were standing or sitting. So when he went there, he pulled his hand and tried to bring him to his grandfather and grandmother place. And when they saw, after praying to God, when grandfather saw to his grandson Raja, he was very happy and he thanked to God by heart. Okay, this is the story, and the whole family were very happy by seeing to his grandson. Okay, Raja. So this is the story about which you have to read this. Okay, so read this lesson properly and you will all understand. Thank you.